My God!
My
Damn!
God.
We're just about to head with a random Serbian guy to a jungle.
My God.
With a Montana guy. Oh my God! Are we supposed to do this? Is this smart? Not smart.
It's really colder than Saturday. Now I'm like not so sure.
What? How are we supposed to do this? Where the fuck do we even go? Shit! I don't think this is smart.
You're regretting it already, huh?
I'm trying to
make it worse. You know what we're going to do. Now we're going to the
We're looking for the treasure. Yeah, that's the name of the video. We're looking for the treasure. Fuck.
He has the treasure map.
He does. He has the treasure map. Yeah. Which way, yo?
Secret.
I don't know who's crazier. Him dressing in a t-shirt, or me just being. Is it that way?
I don't even know.
Can you see shit with those?
No.
Oh my. Damn.
Hi.
Yo. How's your feet? Is it wet?
Yes.
So our guy is gonna take his things. Yeah, we're soaking wet. I'm absolutely whatever. Now, since I'm waiting for him, I'm gonna tell you. San Jose, the capital of Costa Rica, was not my favorite city. It's the shadiest city I've ever been to. A lot of dodgy faces. A lot of people approaching you on the streets, asking you for drugs, asking if you want to buy drugs and stuff. I didn't like that. After six, it gets dark, and in the dark, there's really nobody on the streets in San Jose. It gets really deserted. Most of the zombies start to come out at those times. I really do not recommend people going to the capital of Costa Rica. Otherwise, just being in La Fortuna, being in those nature cities, that's the vibe. That's the jungle. That's the real Costa Rica. Everything else is just a pura vida, pura mierda. Go. You got it? Mission success. Apparently, that's where we're going into the jungle. No. Oh fuck. And we're going on our own. We're not taking a third, of course. We're plane. Expensive. Here we go. So we're gonna meet our friend here and figure out what we're gonna do. Oh shit. So technically we are not supposed to be in this hotel because we don't have a ticket or anything, you know, we're not staying here, but fuck. It's not inside though. What the fuck? Where could it be?
Milan.
Don't ask what those are about. Oh my. Oh my. Fuck. I don't know how we're gonna do this, honestly.
I paid $20 without a guide.
Oh, so they
So you have to pay.
you have to pay for the entrance.
Well, this is a very touristy area. For each entrance here, anywhere, that's the way I feel. You have to pay.
That's what we have pictures.
Uh-huh.
We're not right here. So this is the entrance from the street.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And here is the spot.
Yeah,
Maybe
the
100
parking.
meters to the left on the parking, they have the gate
Okay.
to walk in and pay the fee. But there's a road here that kind of comes out, so it feels like it's maybe like 300 meters that way, and then you can just go through the field. That's at least the way I feel. I walked through this first bridge, then walked a few minutes, and then I could see a small. It's not even a road. It's like a little trail. I think it's like 2 to 300 meters that way, and maybe you can
It
go.
could be this first, probably.
Yes, yes.
I'm from Bosnia. He's from USA.
Bosnia.
What about you? You sound European, probably Polish.
No, Estonia.
Oh, close.
I'll show you something.
Oh wow, you've been to Bosnia. Nice, nice. How did you? Oh wow.
Nadrinje Čuprija.
Yeah. How did you like it?
Very good. I mean, I like it very much. I've been in Blidinje, in Mostar.
Nice. Hopefully you had a good time.
Yeah, and I was with the car. I drove.
Oh
So
yeah.
it was easy.
So you got to see a lot. We have a lot of nature. Yeah. Yeah. How do you know that? Wow.
Yeah, man.
Have you been to the games?
No. But yeah, we usually go quite often to Croatia. And
Yeah,
last
it's
time
close.
it was in 2023. On the way back, I drove through Bosnia deliberately.
Yeah.
I did the rafting there too.
You did rafting. You did everything. You seen everything. And I was recording the whole time. Yeah. So I think he said this thing.
Yeah.
So
He said it might even be closer there because he said it was just like a dirt trail. So we gotta
yes,
keep it
he
close
said a few
by.
hundred kilometers. A few hundred meters, not kilometers. But yeah. So we're gonna try to sneak in, or just go to the end and then go to the inside of the trail, because you have to pay like $20, which is crazy. I don't want to give that money. The thing is, whatever you want to do, you have to pay like a big amount of money. Free Wi-Fi, yeah, that's what we need. You think it's?
I say we go for it.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, let's try. If somebody asks something, we'll be like, oh, we thought, yeah. We're gonna figure something out. It's alright. I do the talking, you say yes. That energy thing.
Yeah.
And my lips are red. I was like, yeah, this is not normal. I think it's, oh, maybe up there. No, shit. There's a market still. Come on, Spear. Actually, she's not. What's down there? Salida. Wait, Salida. Let's go down there.
Yeah.
So that thing is a cloud. At least I think so. At least that the other guy told me. Because we are so high up. So still looking for our entrance. Slot Park. Park Za Primorja. So you think we could enter here? Oh yeah,
Yeah, we could
maybe.
slip in. Maybe.
Let's see. Oh wow, I think this is it. Shit. Yeah, this could be it. Now we gotta figure out which way though. Oh, I love this. This is a fucking real jungle vibe. Now we are in the jungle. Nobody's been here for 28 years. We're the only ones. We're crossing into this territory and we're looking for the slots. They're so called slow animals. Yo, hopefully we know how to get back, yeah?
Yeah, well. Just keep walking and really
Not the smartest idea, but okay. Oh yeah, we win! Fuck! Yes! There are people!
Hey guys, not allowed to stay here. You don't have wrestling here?
Huh?
Wristband? Not allowed to here, guys. Sorry.
What is it? Is it a park?
No, it's a private park.
It's a private park.
Correct, sir.
Ah,
You need to
where's
return.
the where's the
You
where's
need
the
to
public?
return there.
No, where's the public?
The what?
Public one.
There is not public here.
Or where is it? Which way?
Here, not.
On the other side?
Neither.
Neither. Okay. We're leaving.
Yeah.
Not the smartest idea. You sing to us?
No, I was talking with my boss. A little bit here.
Ah, cool, man. Pura Vida. Yes. Monopolized all of the shit and yo.
Like, what even was that? Bro, like, it was on there was from
Huh?
That was just strange, like, it came out of nowhere.